Wheat, whose botanical name is Triticum aestivum, and it is also called Mexican wheat. The family of a wheat is Poaceae or Graminaceae. Chromosome number is of 3 type. 2n is equal to 6x is equal to 42, which is hexaploid. 2n is equal to 2x is equal to 14, which is called diploid. 2n is equal to 4x is equal to 28, which is called tetraploid. Hexaploid example, common wheat or bread wheat, or in botanical we can say that Triticum aestivum. For diploid, Triticum monococcum. For tetraploid, Triticum dicoccum. A protein is present in wheat which is called gluten, which is 11 to 12%, and it is highly digestible. A type of fruit is called caryopsis, and it is of long day plant and C3 plant. Origin, value of Euphrates and Tigris. Durum wheat is found firstly in Abyssinia, soft wheat, western Pakistan and southwest Afghanistan. It is self-pollinated plant. Basically, we can say that origin of wheat is Southwest Asia. Inflorescence, spike or ear. A Dorfin gene is present in Norrington, which is found by or which is given by Borlaug. Economic importance. World's number one cereal crop in area. Old civilization, first mentioned in Bible, and the second important staple food crop next to rice. It's mean it is the second most important staple food next to rice, after rice or next to rice. Eaten in form of chapatis, dalia, upma or rava. Feed for a large population of cattle. Soil and climate. Clay loam or loam textured soil is required for wheat crop. A good structured soil is good for wheat crop. It should have moderate water holding capacity, and very porous and excessive drained soil should be avoided. pH of a wheat is neutral, or we can say that 5.5 to 7. Heavy soil with good drainage is good for wheat crop. For vegetative growth, cool and moist condition is good, and for the germination, the temperature is more than 4 degrees Celsius, and the optimum temperature for wheat crop is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. It withstands freezing temperature 9.4 degrees Celsius for Triticum aestivum, and for winter wheat 31.6. For normal process, wheat crop should have temperature greater than 5 degrees Celsius. For reproductive stage, warm and dry climate should be required. Temperature ranges from 23 to 25 degrees Celsius. Species of wheat. First one is common wheat, which is also called bread wheat. Triticum aestivum. Area which is covered by common wheat is 87%, and it is first found in Mexico, and it is given by Borlaug. Second one is durum wheat, which is also called macaroni wheat. Triticum durum is also a botanical name of a durum wheat. It is best suited for noodles, vermicelli, and area which is covered by the durum wheat is 12%. It is drought resistant. The third one is emmer wheat, which is also called spring wheat. Area which is covered by emmer wheat is 1%. Good for diabetic patient. Example of a emmer wheat is upma. And the fourth one is short wheat, Indian dwarf wheat, whose botanical name is Triticum aspharicum coccum. It is low in productivity. Root system of a wheat: seminal root, lateral root and crown root. Water management. 4 to 6 irrigation is required for wheat crop, and the annual rainfall required is 450 to 650 mm. 5 irrigation at following critical stages. First one is crown root initiation, 15 to 20 day after sowing. Active tillering stage, 35 to 40 day after sowing. Flowering stage, grain filling. Flowering stage, 50 to 55 day after sowing. Grain filling stage 70 to 75 day after sowing. Crown and flowering most critical stage. Field preparation for wheat crop. Plow twice with an iron plow. 2 to 3 times with cultivator. Prep the land to fine tilth. 12.5 ton per hectare of a FIM on the unplowed field. Form bed with size of 10 meter square or 20 meter square with having a irrigation channel. Seed treatment. A seed should be treated with carbendazim thiram at the rate 2 gram per kg before 24 hours sowing. Vitavix fungicide or for smut resistant. Weed management of wheat. Isopruton at the rate 800 gram per hectare at pre-emergence. Spray 3 days after sowing. One weeding at the 35th day after sowing, and the second weeding 20th to 35th day after sowing. If herbicide not applied, second weeding should be done. Application of fertilizer. NPK ratio 120 is to 60 is to 40. Half dose of N, full dose of P2O5 and K2O before sowing. Remaining N at crown initial stage. Seed and sowing. Seed rate 100 kg per hectare. For dibbing 25 to 30 kg per hectare. Depth is depend on the height of the coleoptile. The depth should be 5 cm and 20 cm apart. Seed continuously. Draw lines. Row to row distance 22.5 cm and plant to plant distance is 8 to 18 cm. Test weight of wheat is 40 gram and the wheat which is basically found in wheat crop is Phylloris minor. Harvesting. Grain hard and straw dry and yellow and brittle. Trash and winnowing should be done. Mechanical threshing to reduce the cost. A moisture 25 to 30% and for storage moisture should be 11 to 12%. Yield in North India 3000 kg per hectare and straw yield is 5000 kg per hectare. In Tamil Nadu 250 kg per hectare.